Just came back from, in November, went up to Seattle. And not many people know, but back in 1971, when I graduated from Kamehameha School, the first place we went was to the state of Washington. And I ended up in a beautiful area called Yakima. And while I was there, we did an exchange program with the Native Americans there at the Yakima Reservation in a place called Toppenish. And well, I became a member of the tribe. And so all these years I've been keeping in touch with my friends there in Washington. In 2005, I had the pleasure of going down a place called Kalama. It's on the coastline of Washington, bordering the Columbia River. And Kalama was discovered by a native Hawaiian. His name was John Kalama. Left Hawaii when he was 16 years old. He was born in 1830 from Kula, Maui. But John Kalama went over, worked with the Hudson Bay Fur Company, and he married the daughter of the Indian chief, Martin, the Nisqually tribe. 2005, I was honored to be one of the contingents of Hawaii to represent the Hawaiians in the founding of the town of Kalama. And there I met my Native American brothers from the Nisqually tribe. They had heard I'd written a song about Kalama, Chief Kalama. Now Kalama is a small town. So small that only like 1,800 people live there. And I guess the town was big for me because I got lost over there. Had to go to the police department to find where the high school was. And they found out I was from Hawaii. They gave me an escort. There's a song called Kalama, the chief of the Indians. gawe akong